The application process is different between secured and unsecured loans. Unsecured lending, generally the application process is quicker. With secured lending, you might need to have sort of your assets valued. That can also incur costs for yourself as well. So yeah, as I say, much quicker with unsecured. So the lending decision is different between secured and unsecured loans. With unsecured loans, it is based on you, your personal circumstances and your credit history. What you might find with unsecured personal lending is if you don't have sort of more of a perfect history of repayments, you might actually be declined or find that you get sort of a higher APR. With secured lending, your assets have to be valued, so that can slow down the application process itself, and also there could be fees involved with that. There is differences between the sort of loan amounts and terms as well, when you're talking between the difference of unsecured and secured personal lending. With unsecured loans, it tends to be a shorter term as well as a lower value of total capital as well that you can take out. So with secured lending, because you have your assets involved, say for instance if that's a house, you will have much longer time period of repaying back because that asset is there involved, and a higher value as well that you can put against that house. The interest rates are also different between unsecured and secured lending. With unsecured personal finance, you will find it's a fixed APR for the term of that agreement. With secured lending, the interest rates can be variable, so it's one thing to sort of look out for. So with secured lending, obviously if you make a default with that, it is against an asset, so it could be that that asset is taken from you, whether that's your home or your car, anything that you've put up as collateral really. So with unsecured lending, if you make a default on your payments, that can affect your credit file. However, we wouldn't be coming after any of your assets as they're not linked to it because it is unsecured.